Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Rudy Banks, your host of the Entrepreneur Journey. In the previous video, I shared an application how to copy and paste your way to profits. If you think about COVID right now, there's a lot of people who are stuck in a house or they're trying to figure out a way out of that 9 to 5. So everybody's trying to start an online business. It's the lowest barrier to entry, it's easy to get into, low cost entry. But they need creative services. They need YouTube channels, they need Facebook pages. And with that being said, you need graphics, you need video content. I'm using an application in my business today that I'm gonna share with you, and you can do the same, show you different business models that you can apply and start earning income today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side of this video. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I really wanted to hit home on creative services and starting your own business. I know a lot of the stuff you guys are probably subscribed to the channel based on my affiliate marketing, CPA marketing tips. And that's basically anytime you drive leads to someone's business or their offer, you can make anywhere from $2 to $80 to $100 or a higher ticket, $500 on up. I know you like a lot of that content. I really want to stress, in 2020, the point of creating your own services, creating your own product. I've made great money promoting other people's products, doing affiliate marketing products, CPA, but my breakthrough was when I actually started creating my own things, when I started creating my own digital products, selling services. Those are the things that's going to take you over the top. Now, you might be struggling with CPA marketing, trying to get your feet wet. I always say CPA marketing is your on-ramp to a higher business and greater things. You can start small because those skills you're going to learn, creating landing pages, creating your graphics, you have to be able to know how to do that anyway. So starting in the CPA and affiliate marketing, you're learning off the bat how to create things, and then over time, you're going to figure out ways to be more efficient. So that's why I'm here today, just to encourage you guys. And in the video I showed you just recently, if you haven't watched this, go back and look at it, copy and paste scripts. I showed you an easy way to do, voiceovers and audiobooks. Just all you have to do is copy and paste the text and it creates an MP3 file. It doesn't get any easier than that. You go on Fiverr and you can market that. So today I want to show you just the importance and how big YouTube is getting. I just did a quick search. How many YouTube channels are out there right now? And this is as of 2019. This was posted January 31st, 2020, 31 million YouTube channels. Let that hit home. 31 million YouTube channels. And they're saying that it's increasing and growing by 25%, and over 500 hours of video is being uploaded per minute. 500 hours of video is being uploaded per minute, every minute. That's crazy. So as you can see, there's a great opportunity for YouTube. There's a lot of people right now having to reassess their 9 to 5 and wanting to start a business, wanting to get their brand out there. Musicians and artists who are really trying to really say, man, I really need to have my online presence to be able to do live concerts, to do coaching and training. And so everybody's trying to get their channel up. But the problem you'll see is in order to get a quality, some quality thumbnails and quality channel art, if you don't know how to do that, they got to reach out to other people, and that's where you come in. So I go over to Fiverr just to show you as an example. On Fiverr, did a quick search on YouTube channel art, and that's basically this banner here. That's just a banner that I created. I did that actually doing Fiverr, and I know how to do Photoshop, but I got an easier way. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So basically, I just did a couple searches on the gigs. They're charging anywhere from $10, $30, to do some of this channel art. And this one, I think I found one. Let's see, here's one as an example. So you look at this portfolio, as you can see, there's people in athletics, fashion, people are vloggers, realtors. I always like to focus on people who have businesses, people who are trying to build a brand, because they understand the importance of spending money to get a quality product. If somebody's just trying this for the first time and not really serious about it, they're going to want to go on the cheap, and it's probably not going to be the best client for you for the long term. You want someone you can grow with, build a channel art, help them with the video, help them with the marketing, as you learn your CPA and affiliate, you can also help them, build their affiliate programs up, and it just compounds. So that's what you're looking for. But as you can see, this particular gig for basic, $15 for one platform. So one image you will get for $15. For standard, they're offering 3 platforms. So it'd be like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. They would do all those for you. And there you go, $20. Then there's a premium for four platforms, $30. Do you not think you could do something like this? I mean, just look at the graphics. And once you do it in one platform, all you have to do is resize it and scale it to fit the other one. So it's not going to take you long to do that. So you look at these, get a profile up, and you're good to go. Let me show you another example. So here's an example. A lot of times YouTube videos, you need end screens or intros. People want a nice fancy intro. I would highly encourage, don't make it too long, but you can have a nice intro. You can do a nice outro. The outros are great anytime you go to a channel, and you'll see that people have at the end of it say subscribe. YouTube recommends this video. That helps keep people on your channel, and YouTube rewards you for watch time and engagement. So they have a starter packet here, one intro. They're going to give you some of the graphics for $10. That looks okay. Go back to another one. This is a better view of it. So $15, they're doing a custom end screen. It's already done, guys. This is all it is a 20-second video clip that plays at the end of your video. And YouTube, you're going to tell it which video to show here. It's automatically going to show your icon or your thumbnail or your profile, basically. So this picture right here will show up. You go look at the end of any of my videos, you would see that. That's basically how that works. You could even have, it could just be a static picture, or it can be a little bit of animation. Depends on the quality of what the person is offering. But as you can see, $15 for something like that, something you already have created. They might want a little bit of customization, but I've got a solution for you. So just stay tuned. And with that being said, make sure you have a Fiverr account. Make sure you have a YouTube account. Don't go sign up for these gigs and you never put together some YouTube art or don't have your own YouTube channel. You want to be a product of your own product. So somebody comes and look at your services, they can say, hey man, this person actually has videos up. They got some sample of their material and they're actually a product of the product. So I want you to click the link below in the description. You got to check out, place it. I can't express this anymore, but this program is amazing. I do a lot of stuff for logos. I do a lot of stuff for 3D mockups for e-commerce. Now I'm testing it out for Instagram artwork and so many different things you can do with Placeit. I wanted to show you really quick. I'm just going to type in YouTube and you can see all the categories they have. So you can create a YouTube thumbnail. You can offer that as a service in Fiverr. You can do a YouTube intro, you got a banner, you got the logo. And I'm just going to do banner for YouTube. Now, what you can do also to set yourself apart from some of the other people on Fiverr, what I would do is offer a package. Offer the logo, offer the channel art and the end screens as one bundle, or add those as upsells. And that way you can set yourself apart from just one person doing one-off type gigs. And that's more return on, you're gonna make more money that way too. So let's grab one. Let's see what we got. We got gaming. Looks like there's some a beauty profile. Let's just see if I can find a realtor. Corporate banner template technology. Well, here's one. We'll do this. This is like a fitness professional. Okay, so basically, a person, they might be into personal training, coaching and different things. So here's an example of a banner. As you can see, there's an image there. They give you channel art. You can change these out over here. I can click these different images, and it's just changing them. If I wanted to put my own image in there, I would just go here, say no image, or I can click on custom image, and I'm just gonna go and grab an image of myself. Let's grab this avatar here, and bam, there's my avatar right in there. Now, if I don't like the background, I could change that. If I wanted something light gray, red, green. So I could add my own graphic if I wanted my own background. Or I guess it's an icon if I want to put my own icon in there. I click and hide. I can change this text. I can turn off text. And it's very easy. Very simple. Then once I'm done, I hit download, and there I go. I deliver my gig and issue out to my client, and I'm good to go. I'm gonna do another example, something a little bit more sophisticated. These have a little bit more layers to it. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this one says Workout Central, so it's a nice graphic in the back, got that grunge look to it. Subscribe for more. So this is a YouTube banner. You go in here and change this. You can change the fonts. I could say business. Easy as that. I can change fonts. I mean, that's very simple, guys. And I could do this on and on and on, but I'm not gonna belabor it. Let's look at YouTube logo or end screen. Let's do the end screen. We saw that example. You got 118 end screens to choose from. I'm gonna probably redo my personal end screen as well. I'll probably use something like maybe something like this. Thanks for watching. Just got subscribe, all that's there. All I have to do is go into the different platforms. The first one, see, what would that be? I'll just do the Facebook would be Rudy Banks page. Go down to Twitter, Instagram. Can't see what that one is, but if I didn't want it, I'll just take it off. And then I'll just have to move this over. And there you go. So when it plays at the end of my videos, my image would pop up here, and then it will recommend the video. I can have a playlist video. I can have YouTube recommended video, and we're good to go. And I'll just hit download now, and then that'll be saved in my queue. I can download it now or download it later. And as you can see, there's other things I can do. So if maybe I didn't want this red like that, I wanted something different. I wanted something jagged. There's a chain that looks more digital. Maybe I don't like that color. I want it a little bit more I want it brighter. Yeah, that's got a little bit more pop to it. And there we go. And then I can just hit download again. It'll be in my queue with all my files. And I'll add that video to the end of my videos. And you'll see. Matter of fact, what I'll do, I'm gonna download this. When you come to the end of this video, you'll see this end screen, so you can see me actually putting it to work. And guys, that's how easy it is to use Placeit, create some artwork, go on Fiverr, sell your services, and you're up and running. It doesn't get any easier than that. I know you guys want to do CPA affiliate marketing, but I want you to diversify. You know, it's okay to do some businesses, but diversify. These things generate income. I'm a testament to it. You get your profile up, you get a couple reviews up, you will make money doing this. You just have to stay the course and be competitive. And you can even go on Facebook and just do a quick search on Facebook and just see, you know, looking for a YouTube channel, or ask your friends who's starting a YouTube channel. I'm going to create some YouTube content for you guys who's interested. That's how you get your first client. And then from there, it's just a snowball effect. And then when people are looking for logos, YouTube channel art, just stay in the front of it and then share what you just done. Hey, I just did this new intro, outro. What do you think? Put that on Facebook, and you will get people interested, you know, what you had to offer. First thing they're gonna ask you is, what do you charge? So figure out what you're gonna charge. Always know what you're gonna charge, because that's always the elephant in the room. How much is it gonna cost? And with that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you subscribing to the channel. If there's anything else I can do for you, just comment below the video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.